Welcome to Minnesota. This product called Saiger's 10 Below. This product is a 9.5 pH, so the name 10 Below just happened to fit. Most of our products in the Saiger sauce line, we are working towards healthier chemistry. We're not using butyls, no dilylamine, no solvents, no NTAs. A healthier cleaning line of chemistry. The technicians, they will be safer. Also, even when the homeowners are asking about the chemistry being used, we can pretty well say and with comfort that we're using a safer product. Will it clean? Yes, it will clean. Take your cleaning out of the ice ages. All of our products are field tested. We clean every day. We make them clean. Saiger's 10 Below is odorless. With its unique chemistry, it can also help eliminate odors without the use of any perfumes. It's a 9.5 pH powdered pre-spray, giving those higher pH pre-sprays a run for their money.